Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have my cousin Janelle's stepdaughter here, and we are going to be doing a makeover on her. She has thick, beautiful, light hair, and we just cut off a few inches, and we're doing an amazing transformation. So if this is something you want to watch and see, then keep watching. Also, don't forget to check out I Am Brett Ryan. The channel link is below. Me and my cousin Janelle have a series coming, a vlog series. It's like a reality show kind of thing. And I also post new videos every Sunday of myself as well. See you there. Hey guys, welcome back. It's been a whole week hiatus for me, but I wanted to come back better, stronger than ever. I have been posting here on YouTube consistently at least one time a week for about a year and a half, 2 years. Never missed a day. I needed to recharge a little bit. Actually have a lot going on, and I was able to sit back, chill out a little bit, and now get my videos exactly where I want them for you guys. And today I have an amazing transformation of my cousin Janelle's daughter. We are taking her virgin hair. The only color in her hair was bleached, and it was on the ends a long time ago. We cut most of that out because we were going to cut a lot of hair. I always pre-cut. Doesn't matter if it's even, just cut it right across. It's better to do that than waste more product. If it's only going to be an inch or two or a dusting or something like that, then I'll wait till the end. But I just wanted to get all those dead ends off of her hair and start fresh. So I'm packing these foils in back to back to back like I always do. Babylights, of course, Oxycur with 20 volume, a 1/16 ounce of Olaplex. So she has a lot of hair, as you can see. She has a lot of density, and she needed a lot of foils. I actually did a post on this. I'm going to be posting on my Instagram in a couple of days. I get questions all the time from fellow stylists asking, is it necessary to put that many foils in somebody's head and take all this time? And honestly, guys, in my opinion, if it didn't make a difference, I wouldn't do it. Why would I do 300 foils on a head of a person if it didn't make a difference? The smaller the sections, number one, equal an amazing better lift. Even if you're going to do a bigger highlight and a thicker stitch, you could still take a small amount of hair in the foil. What I'm talking about is right here, the hair that goes in the foil that I did my stitch on. Even if I wanted to do a dimensional, bigger, thicker stitch or even a chunky highlight, I would still take smaller amounts of hair because this way the saturation is better and it will process more evenly. A lot of people tend to take thicker stitches and take thicker amounts of hair. That's a no-no. So I do think it makes a huge difference. The smaller the sections, the better the lift, the better the grow out. I know a lot of stylists get on my case about why don't you want them to come back sooner? We don't want them to be able to go months without getting their hair done. But you guys, I tried a different way than we were taught in school, and it has helped me so much. I believe the reason I had so much success so quickly is because I did everything opposite from what they taught me in school. Not downing any hair schools. They're just there to teach you how to pass the test. I cannot stress that enough. If you're a cosmetology student, when you want to learn real stuff, you got to do it on your own time outside of the school and really get your hands dirty. I did everything the opposite. I only took what I wanted to take, and I wanted to be where I stuck out. And doing foils like this magnitude, a lot of people don't have the patience for. And I like my clients to be able to go as long as they want and their hair still look pretty, and this allows that to happen. You guys don't want to nickel and dime your clients. They will feel the energy. They will know. They will tell. And my clients, I don't worry about it because I know that they're going to come back, and it also leaves me more time to allow to take more clients. Now I'm going to let her process for a little bit, and we're going to get to toning.
Down for me, take a sip of paradise. Here below the lights, all the people looking up. Overhead a billion fires, reflecting in my eyes. We got everything we need. I got you and you got me. We can dance until the lights fall down. I feel alive, I got forever in my eyes. This is all I need. Oh, I got everything when you're by my side. Another ultraviolet night. This is all I need. Oh, I got all the stops, runaways were looking up, chasing another sign. Oh, we do it right, soaking up the painted sky, overhead a billion fires, reflecting in your eyes. We got everything we need, I got you and you got me. We can dance until the lights fall down.
Oh my God, you guys, look how well she lifted. The pros of having virgin hair. I cannot explain that enough. Clients always say, why can you get certain clients, so light in 1 or 2 sessions and it takes me 6? Everybody's hair is different. And if you have any color, whether it's a demi-permanent or permanent, demi's easier, permanent harder, it will take more sessions. All right, guys, so I'm going to take my wet brush and comb her hair back. Leave those money pieces for the end, slightly tap them. I shadowed her with Goldwell Colorance 5N, 5NA. You guys know I love Redken Shades EQ for my root toning formulas, and I always have. I used to use Joico Lumishine. I loved how Joico is more opaque, but they really don't make a lot of the colors anymore. They never had a lot to begin with. They have like 24, but I find that they're cutting more and more out. So I went to Shades EQ, which I love. It's more translucent, but it does the job and it gives it shine and it's really cool. If you're looking for a line that runs cooler, Shades is the way to go. And with Goldwell, they're more opaque, it's more stronger. It actually sticks on the hair and stays. And I always use 7N, 7NA with Goldwell Colorance. That's one of my favorite formulas on my blondes. And I just love how well the formula was. So I decided to, extend myself through the line. I only use 7s and 10s. So I was like, let's try some 5, let's try some 6. So they don't really have NAs for every level. They have like an A, which is straight ash, which is cool. But I've been told by many people that certain colors run too warm. And this line does run warmer. You guys will see it at the end of her shadow, how opaque it is, how it looks really, really shadowed, which is what I like on certain clients, and that's what it gives me. But you can also see how it has that more warmth to it. I toned her all over with Shades EQ 9P, 9VG, kept it very simple. Oh my God, you guys, look at this hair. Janelle was there. We had a whole hair day. Her video's coming this Friday of a partial transformation on her. Do you see how the root shadow is warmer? But look at this color. I am truly in love. And ever since this, I ended up buying a couple of more Goldwell Colorance colors. And I wanted to extend myself into the line. I got 6N, 4A, 6N, 6A, 3N, 3NA. 5N, 5NA. I got them all, so you'll be seeing them throughout the next few videos of me trying them. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something today by watching it. I'm sorry I took a week off. I am back, re-energized, and have tons of content coming for you guys. Also, don't forget to go subscribe to I Am Brett Ryan. I've been shooting a lot of content. I don't post every week on there right now because I have so much that I'm recording, but I will put out a video this week that you don't want to miss. I love you guys so much. Thank you for everything. Subscribe, share, like, hit post notifications on, and I'll see you in the next one. As always, so long for now, guys.